everyone, Dave here, and today we're taking our burgers to the Tropics with a Piña Colada burger. Let's get started. Okay, now we're gonna work on our patties. Really simple. We're gonna take our ground beef, we're gonna mix in some teriyaki sauce. This is gonna give a nice savory flavor to our meat. And we're just gonna put these into the patties, and I'll throw them into the fridge to sit for a little while we heat up the grill. That way we'll have them to where they're nice and firm and won't break apart on you on the grill. I'll smash them down when I put them on the grill. We're gonna start grilling with the bacon, and then we will cook our burgers in the bacon grease right after these finish, and we'll push them off to the side. Okay, the bacon's getting close to done, but we're gonna keep it cooking here over on a cooler part of the grill. And I don't have to put any oil down for these burgers because I've got this nice bacon grease down here. These are monstrous half-pound burgers. We're gonna do them, it's gonna be about 5 to 7 minutes aside. The smell of the teriyaki on these is so good. Now it's time to flip these. We're gonna want a real nice sear on them. And we've got the beautiful crust on these burgers. That'll give great flavor on the bite. We're gonna get some sugar, put it on these slices of pineapple, and it'll caramelize them a little bit here on the grill. It'll be a nice little topper with our sauce and our bacon. Okay, we're gonna give a flip to these pineapples that are caramelizing here. They'll come off in a little bit. We're gonna add the cheese, some Colby Jack to the top. So it'll begin to melt here for us. And we're gonna set the pineapples off to a little cooler part of the grill. We're gonna take our buns, set them out here to get a little bit of a toasting to them. Okay, everything is ready now. Time to start putting these together. The buns have a beautiful toast on them. We're gonna start off by spreading on a nice big layer on the top and bottom of this Piña Colada sauce. And then we're gonna be putting this half-pound burger in the middle with the teriyaki and the Colby Jack cheese. I'm getting excited. I need to dive in on one of these soon. All right, we'll put a couple pieces of bacon on each of these. Add an extra piece of bacon to the one I'm gonna eat. Nice caramelized pineapple on top. These look great. I cannot wait to eat these. They look and smell amazing. Gonna dive into this one. Might as well take the one that I had the extra piece of bacon on. Look at that burger. Definitely a messy burger, but well worth it. The flavors are outstanding. The sear on the plancha, the bacon, the sweet of the pineapple, the coconut. I love it. You got to give these a try. Have a great week, everyone, and remember, spread love through barbecue.